Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Michelle E. Santiago. I'm from Philippines. I'm 39 years old, married, and have three kids, ages 16, 11, and 5 years old. My weight is 47 kilogram and my height is 5'1" centimeter. I have work experience in Saudi Arabia as a housemaid for almost 2 years with five family members and 1.5 year in United Arab Emirates as a housemaid for with five family members. I do household chores like cooking, cleaning, washing, ironing, and taking care of the kids. I am trustworthy, obedient, respectful, hardworking, and I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food. I want to work in Hong Kong to provide my family needs and to support them. I'm willing to finish my 2 years contract and renew it when needed. I hope to see you soon, ma'am, sir. Thank you.